I absolutely love the way that a bicycle allows you to experience the area. I love the area around here in Donegal, and I love the area around Glencolmcille and Carrick and Slieve League. So we started offering cycling holidays in this area. You experience the wind, the sunshine, the smells, the sounds, you hear the birds singing, the rivers flowing, and so many things that you miss out on when you're inside in a bus or a car that you experience on a bicycle. When you can take an e-bike then, because it's a hilly area, it allows you to really experience the area without any real huge effort in having to cycle over the hills also. If somebody wants to hire a bike and they can't come to us here in Carrick, then we can take the bikes to wherever they are, anywhere in the northwest of Ireland really, and we can take as many bikes as people want, so we're quite happy to deliver bikes to people wherever they are based.